Let me show you an easy way to turn off two-step verification on your Google account. If you turn off two-step verification, I would recommend changing your password so that no one else can log into your account and it kicks off all of the devices that are currently logged in. Now, on your iPhone, Android, or computer, just open up a web browser. Chrome, Safari, doesn't really matter. From here, you're going to want to go to google.com, and at the very top right, you can see I'm signed into my Google account. Just tap on your profile here, and now tap on Manage Account. You'll be able to see I'm at myaccount.google.com. You can just go there directly if you wanted to. After you're logged in, we're going to, at the very top, swipe over, tap on Security, and then scroll down, tap on two-step verification. You'll be able to see after I authenticate this that I have my two-step verification turned on. However, you can turn it off just by tapping two-step verification, turn off, and then turn off. Now keep in mind you might want to change your password or set up pass keys or anything like that so that you have an authenticated or a protected account.